Connectivity is the #1 issue in the world of IoT and connected production. The FabEagle Connect low-code integration software is our answer to standardized interfaces in production and machine manufacturing. In this video, we explain the functionality of the interface integration software and the structure of the web client. FabEagle Connect provides you with a range of configurable and reliable data interfaces such as OPC UA, REST, MQTT, TCP/IP, and Modbus, as well as interfaces to SQL databases. This allows you to meet the IT requirements for reliable interface integration of your production machines and devices, regardless of their age or manufacturer, even as the level of automation increases. Our integration software is based on combinable components for interface protocols and data transformation. These components provide a guided configuration dialog that matches the interface standard, simplifying deployment. In addition to the available data, file, and database interfaces, it is also possible to develop your own custom components. However, before you start configuring individual interfaces, it is advisable to analyze the data flow of the use case. 3 types of components can be identified. Data sources read data from external systems. Transformers convert the format or structure of the data, and data sinks write data to external systems. The most common data formats are JSON, XML, or a byte stream. When data sources and sinks use different data formats or structures, you need to use transformers to make them compatible. FabEagle Connect provides prepared transformer components for this purpose. For complex data transformations and logic, you can program your own solutions in the C# code component. Now, we would like to introduce you to the structure of the FabEagle Connect web client, which you can access via the local host address with any current browser. Access for other network users is restricted by a configurable IP whitelist. After logging in, you are taken directly to the editor where the configuration is created, edited, or imported. The components are added to the configuration via a selection dialog and can be parameterized in specific configuration dialogs. The layout gives you an overview of the components used and allows you to connect components and access the configuration dialogs. The configuration dialogs themselves consist of the properties, which means the parameters and properties of the specific interface type, and of the connections, which means the connections to their data source components. FabEagle Connect provides various information for troubleshooting. The diagnostics in the web client show the message flow between the components. For example, you can verify that the content and format of a message is correct. The diagnostics are designed to track and analyze direct message traffic. In addition, errors, warnings, and other information are stored in log files. The scope can be individually defined by the log level. The log files are very useful for collecting and analyzing information about runtime behavior over a long period of time. In the Help menu, you will find all necessary information about the application and its components in the form of documentation. We hope that you have gained a good insight into the functionality and structure of the FabEagle Connect web client. For further information or access to the demo version, please contact our sales team.